everybody, welcome to the channel. So first thing I want to say is thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. We're just about to hit 2,000 subscribers, which I'm just overwhelmed with. Second of all, my LT50 project. Now obviously, as I've been telling everyone, I'm going to be raffling that quad off through the channel. And what I'm actually planning on doing is setting up a bit of a merch shop for my channel. So yeah, definitely something to check out, guys, once I get that up and running. Basically, what I'm going to do is raffle off my LT50 project through that merch shop. So you can go on there and get yourself a ticket and then, yeah, get into the draw for that quad. So obviously, we still got a bit more work to do to it. It's stripped down right now, ready for powder coat and paint. And then obviously, I'm going to do some videos now rebuilding the engine. And it's going to take me a little bit of time to do that because the other big thing that's going on in my life, I'm actually in the process of moving house. So if you actually look down there, you'll see my house is in boxes at the moment. So yeah, basically I'm in the middle of moving house. I'm looking forward to doing a new series on how to kit out your garage for working on vehicles and obviously tinkering and whatever you want to do. So yeah, so I'll be looking for some advice from my viewers, as well as I'll be doing a heap of research trying to figure out what the best storage solutions are and also other things we can do just to save space, really, because my new garage is actually smaller than my old one. So it's going to be interesting to see how we overcome the obstacles, but I'm going to do it all on this channel for you guys to check out, and then you can apply to your own garages if that's what you want to do. So yeah, like I said again, thank you guys for all your love and support on this channel. I really appreciate all your comments, all your feedback. It's been absolutely brilliant. And yeah, I look forward to doing more videos. So yeah, see you in the next one.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.